In the previous section, we have to discuss about the introduction of the FL tree and the rotations, that is LL rotation and RR rotation. In the LL rotation, what happen? We perform a right rotation to find out the balance tree, and in the RR rotation, what happen? We have to perform the left rotation to find the balance tree. Next, we what discuss about the LR rotation and RL rotation. Listen, before going to the LR, in the LL rotation and the RR rotation, we have done a single rotation. In the LL and RR, for LL left, whenever the left and RR right, only a single rotation is required, only one rotation is required. But whenever we perform LR and RL, double rotation is required. Okay, we have to remember it. For LL and RR, only single rotation is required, but for LR and RL, okay, for LR and RL we require double rotation. Okay, as you know, the LL we require the right rotation, and for RR we require what? The left rotation to balance the tree. Similarly for LR, okay, we have to remember in this way. First to perform the RR rotation, okay, first to perform the RR rotation and next to perform the LL rotation. Okay, for LR require two rotation. Again, first is RR, next is LL. Similarly from RL, we first to perform the LL rotation, next to perform the RR rotation. First to perform what? LL rotation and next to perform RR rotation. We go in this way, first LL and next RR. Clear? Then check. Initially this is a tree, okay, and the height is here h, and h. Then what is the balance factor here? It is 0. What is the balance factor here? H plus 2, h plus 1, that is plus 1. That means it is balanced tree. Suppose I am inserting a node in this subtree BR right family. Then what happens? See, okay, suppose I am inserting in this subtree. This is h plus 1, h and h. Initially is h. I am inserting a node in this subtree so that what? This height will be increases 1. Okay, then what is the balance factor here? This is h plus 1. This is h plus 2 minus h plus 2. So height is here minus 1 or not. So what is the height of the A? Height is the longest path. Here longest path, here is h, but here is h plus 1, then plus 1 plus 1, h plus 3 minus h plus 1. We have to find what? H cancel, plus 3 minus 1, that is plus 2 or not. So this is a violated, this node is violated the rule or pivot node. We have to call as pivot node. Then what is the rule? We have to first find out the pivot rule, pivot node, then go towards the newly inserted node. So where is the newly inserted node? Here is the newly inserted node. So we have go towards here towards the newly inserted node. So we should forward in this way. Okay, we should forward in this way. Go towards the newly inserted node. Then jump 2 hops. Where is the 2 hops? Here 1 hop, here 2 hops. Okay, 1 hop, 2 hops. Then what type of nomenclature you have to find? This is your left, this is your right. Okay, so first you have to find out the pivot node, then go towards the newly inserted node, towards newly inserted node, then jumps 2 hops, okay, or 2 hops, jump 2 hops or 2 hops. We have to find either which type of nomenclature. Here LR nomenclature, not LR. Okay, so for LR, what are the rotation you have to perform? First is RR, then LL. Okay, see, so this is the tree. Suppose for this tree I am suppose extending, okay, I am just extending these branches. Okay, this is a branch or subtree. I am extending these branches. I am taking another node C. Here it is CL and here it is CR. Okay, so for LR, what is the rotation we have to perform? First is RR, then LL. So first RR rotation is there. So here is the middle. So first C, this is L, then RR. We have to perform first RR rotation. Okay, I am extending this and perform the, this is L and R, this is a middle. First we have to perform the RR, then LL. So first this is RR rotation. So what is the RR rotation? In the RR rotation, what happened? We have to perform, in the RR rotation we have to perform a left rotation. That means this will be rotate left and this middle will be go to the up. Then after this rotation, what is the structure of the tree? See, a node is there, a node is there, then this is the middle node, take as it is, and this will be rotate this. Okay, this will be rotate this. That means what? C is there. Okay, then this will be come to the left of the C, B will be come to the left of the C, then AR family as it is. Okay, CR family as it is, then B is now here, B is here, so BL family as it is. But what is the what is the CL family? CL family, if B is come here, then CL family is here, right of B. Okay, then one rotation is completed, that is RR here. Then another rotation is what? This is the middle node, as you know, LR. First RR is completed, then our rotation is LL. This is the middle node. Okay, after rotation, this is just one rotation, we have to find this. Then next rotation is what? For LR, first is RR, then LL, then LL. So what is the LL rotation? In the LL rotation, we have to perform a right rotation. What is the right rotation? This is the middle node, we have to rotate right and this will be go to the up. Okay, rotate this right, that means C will be there, B as it is, B as it is, B will be there, BL will be there, and CL will be there. Then this will be come to the what? This structure A will be come to the right of the C or not? This will be come to the here. Then AR as it is, AR as it is. What is the CR family? Go to the left of the AR. So this is your tree. Okay, if you calculate the balance factor, you have to find here 0 because the height are same. Normally the height are same. Okay, so this is your LR notation. Similarly for RL rotation, we have to perform first LL rotation and then RR rotation. So this will be you should try it yourself and check after the rotation what is the tree. So there is a 4 type of rotation you have to discuss. One is your LL rotation, another is RR rotation, then LR rotation, then RL rotation. LL rotation, single rotation, right rotation. RR is also single rotation, that is left rotation. LR is your double rotation, first is RR rotation, then LL rotation. Similarly RL also double rotation, first is LL rotation and then RR rotation. So these are the 4 type rotation of a FL tree. So whenever we perform or create a FL tree or insertion a FL tree, we require these 4 rotation. Next section we have to see how to create a FL tree or how to insert and perform FL tree using this rotation. Okay.